Hi, it's Rob the Frugalist here. Today we're looking at getting the chimney swept, why we need to do it and what it looks like. So here we've got Paul Clark in the background beavering away, sorting out the chimney sweeping process. So why should you be getting your chimney swept? You want to reduce that ash and any creosote buildup. You want to make sure that this is a safe appliance to keep working on. And if you don't do it, I think some insurers may take issue, house insurance and all that kind of stuff. So do check with your house insurance. But when the chimney people come, they will obviously protect the area. They'll dismantle. They'll do visual inspection. They'll then do some chimney sweep cleaning. This one was power swept. Then they'll check and clean the inside of the stove. They will then do a smoke test to make sure that there's still suitable draw. And then they'll do a further visual check before reassembling and then clearing up. And that's exactly what I've had. And at the end, you get a certificate. Looks a little bit like this. So this is from Paul Clark. He's been doing this for about 25 years now, and he also does work with his son Matthew Clark. So keep your eyes out for those if you're in the Bromley area. Anyway, I hope this was useful and interesting. This is what is involved in a chimney sweep. Until next time, see you later. Bye.